Okay, viewers, welcome once again. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Kinemaster interface to perform basic edit to your video projects. Yes, and this screen display right now is Kinemaster, or it shows the Kinemaster user interface. In this user interface, you will be presented with the Kinemaster basic interface consisting of the action bar, that's at the left hand side of the screen, and the timeline located at the bottom, and the media panel also at the right hand side, and the last is the project preview. It's for in the center of the screen. Okay, let's see the action bar. When we say action bar, I mean the left hand side. The action bar contains action buttons that are used to perform routine actions associated with the video editing and are located on the left hand side of the screen. As I said earlier, when no items on the timeline have been selected, the following option will be displayed. One is the back, two is the undo, we have the redo, settings, expand, and many more. As time goes on, you will begin to understand all these and how they work. When you see the back, if you want to return to the previous screen or menu, that's when you use the back. We will learn that into detail, but I want you to become familiar with the interface. And the undo, if you want to undo the last performed action. Redo is the last undone action, and the setting is if you want to open the project setting. That's it. We have many. We will learn more about that later. Okay, let's come to the media panel. The media panel gives you the tools needed to add and edit project content. When an item in the time is selected, when an item in the timeline is selected, the option panel with the option relevant to that particular item is displayed. Okay, let's see some simple example about what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, let's import something like background color, solid color. Let me choose any color here, and let's see. You see what I'm trying to tell you? The media panel, I said when an item in the timeline, which means the item that I'm talking about is this. When an item in the timeline is selected, the option panel with the option relevant to that particular item is displayed. You see, when I click on it like this, you see all these things are options panel, and it relevant about this particular thing that I have selected. That's what I'm trying to say. And at the project preview, I said it views whatever goes on under this timeline, which means whatever I do it under this timeline, this project preview will display. Okay, let me add another solid color to this, and let's see something. You see, when I activate this, the project preview display that color to me. In case I activate this one, it displayed, so it gives the project preview give results about what is going on the timeline. So that's all I am trying to let you understand. Okay, we will take them one by one and give more examples on it. As time goes on, you will understand. And lastly is the project preview is for in the center of the screen. Project preview views what is going on inside the timeline. It's like whatever will be put under the timeline will display at the project preview. So it displays, or it gives results to our project. It lets us see how our project is being displayed. That's how the project previews work. And the timeline too is for at the bottom of the preview, at the bottom of the screen. So we will take them one by one and you will see how each of them work. So this is how the user interface of Kinemaster look like. Thank you for watching, and meet me in the next tutorial to keep going. Okay, you have just begun. Thank you.